Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by verifying prerequisites. Confirm the Hyper-V host has latest updates and the VM has integration services and healthy virtual disks. Next, mount or confirm access to your backup target, SMB share or attached VHD with sufficient free space and correct permissions. Once done, decide on consistency. Trigger a saved state for offline snapshots or enable volume shadow copy service for online consistent backups. Finally, open Hyper-V Manager and select the VM you intend to export to start the export wizard. Now execute the actual backup operation. Use Hyper-V Manager Export for a GUI flow or run Export VM in PowerShell for repeatable automation. If you need an online consistent backup, create a production checkpoint which leverages VSS. Make sure your guest OS and backup software support VSS writers. After the checkpoint, copy the VM configuration, VHDX files, and any snapshots to your backup target. Once the file transfer completes, remove the checkpoint if it was only for backup purposes to avoid snapshot buildup. Finish by validating the backup. Mount the copied VHDX or perform a test restore into an isolated Hyper-V host to confirm boot and data integrity. Once verified, document the backup location, retention policy, and precise restore steps. Schedule automated verifications to catch silent failures. If something goes wrong, first check permissions on the backup target, available storage, and VSS event logs for writer failures. Re-register VSS or correct service permissions as needed. Make sure to retain copies until verification completes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.